Hey, Ready Set Campers! We're back to elevate your camping game because today, we're unveiling the ultimate must-have camping gear of 2024. We're talking next level gear that's going to revolutionize your outdoor experience. So let's get ready, set, camp. Upgrade your camping experience with the Frontrunner Outfitters Wolfpack cases. These stackable modular cases are engineered to keep your gear organized and accessible even in the rugged outdoors. Perfect for off-road adventures, they supply stability and durability, ensuring your equipment stays secure, no matter the terrain. No more digging through a messy car to find your flashlight. Whether you're heading into the wilderness or embarking on a weekend getaway, these cases are a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. And priced at just $100, they offer exceptional value for their quality and functionality. So don't let disorganization hold you back. Invest in the Wolfpack cases and I guarantee you'll be a happy camper. Escape the sun and create your own oasis with the Yakima 270-degree awning. This versatile awning provides instant shade and shelter wherever you roam, making it the ultimate accessory for outdoor adventures. With its easy setup and durable construction, it's designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable protection from the sun, rain, and wind. So whether you're camping, picnicking, or tailgating, the Yakima 270-degree awning ensures you stay comfortable and protected from all the elements. So now you can say goodbye to sweltering heat and hello to cool, shaded relaxation with this must-have accessory. And priced at $400? Trust me, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves spending time in the great outdoors. Brighten up your campsite with the Goal Zero SkyLight. This powerful LED light tower provides ample illumination for nighttime activities, ensuring you can see and be seen even in the darkest of nights. With its sturdy tripod base and long-lasting battery, it's perfect for camping, backyard gatherings, and emergency situations. Go from fumbling in the dark to bright and illuminated nights with the Goal Zero SkyLight. It's absolutely perfect for your camping, cooking, playing games, or simply enjoying the outdoors. This versatile light tower will keep your adventures shining bright. And at just $150, it's an affordable and practical lighting solution for any outdoor enthusiast. Keep your food fresh and your beverages cold with the Iceco APL 55 Fridge and Freezer. This high-performance appliance is designed to deliver reliable cooling power wherever your adventure takes you. With its dual-zone design and efficient insulation, it's perfect for storing perishable items and keeping drinks chilled on extended camping trips. No more soggy sandwiches or warm soda. This Iceco APL keeps everything yummy and fresh, even if you're camping for a long time. Priced at $800, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who values food safety and convenience in the outdoors. Don't let food spoilage spoil your outdoor adventures. Invest in this awesome fridge-freezer combo and keep your meals fresh and delicious, no matter how far off the beaten path you are. Power up your outdoor adventures with the EBL Power Station. This 1,000-watt powerhouse can serve as the backbone of your trip, ensuring uninterrupted energy for essential devices. Dedicated to keeping big appliances running smoothly, it provides reliable performance throughout the journey. Now you can forget about dead batteries. This EBL Power Station lets you have power anywhere you go, even camping, hiking, or exploring new places. It's like a friend who keeps your lights on, even without an outlet. And priced at just $500, it's a great choice for any camper who wants to be comfy and happy on their adventure. Level up your camping experience with the Goal Zero Power Station. Another 1,000-watt powerhouse, this device powers everything from lighting to entertainment during the outdoor adventures. Versatile and reliable, it ensures comfort and convenience throughout your trip. Going camping? Keep your phone charged and the lights on at night. This handy box lets you power all sorts of things from phones and tablets to lights and even small appliances. It's like having your own mini power plant for only $600. Perfect for camping, hiking, or exploring anywhere new. This Goal Zero Power Station will keep you powered up all day and all night. Arm yourself for outdoor exploration with the Renegade knife. Crafted for durability and versatility, this essential tool is a must-have for any camper or adventurer. From food preparation to emergency situations, it excels in various tasks with ease. It can help you with all sorts of things, like making lunch, cutting firewood, or any unexpected emergencies you might need it for on your trip. Whether you're setting up camp, foraging for firewood, or tackling unexpected challenges, this reliable companion will prove indispensable on your outdoor journeys. And for just $50, it's definitely an affordable and necessary addition to your camping kit. Step up your foot care game with Leukotape. This reliable blister prevention and treatment solution is essential for keeping your feet comfortable during long hikes or extended camping trips. With its durable and adhesive design, it stays in place even in wet conditions, providing reliable protection against friction and irritation. No more wincing in pain because of sore feet. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrain or spending hours on your feet, this essential item will keep you moving forward with confidence. Priced at just $12, it's a small investment that pays off big in terms of comfort and convenience. Quench your thirst and stay hydrated on your outdoor excursions with the Front Runner Outfitters Footwell water tank. This 10-gallon tank is designed for easy installation and reliable water supply during your adventures. Paired with a small water pump, it ensures you have running water for washing hands, dishes, and more. Camping in the woods or having a weekend getaway? This tank is essential for keeping you hydrated and comfortable. Priced at $230, it's a worthwhile investment for camping comfort. Say farewell to lugging heavy water jugs and hello to convenient hydration with the Footwell water tank. The Road Warrior Camper is the perfect choice for campers who want a hassle-free camping experience. This compact and lightweight camper is easy to deploy, even in tight spaces. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it to carry rooftop tents, bikes, kayaks, and pretty much anything else you can think of. It can also be towed by small cars, SUVs, and trikes, making it the ideal choice for campers of all levels. This camper is also highly customizable. You can choose from a range of optional extras to create the perfect trailer for your needs. With its durable construction and weatherproof design, the Road Warrior Camper is built to last. It's the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure. And that wraps up our showcase of the ultimate camping gear you should have bought sooner. But guess what? The adventure continues. Don't forget to explore the links in the description below to grab those game-changing products for your own outdoor escapades. And don't forget to comment below to share your favorite gear with us. May your journeys be filled with unforgettable moments and endless exploration. Until our next adventure, happy camping.